Welcome to Geology session. Next topic, biodiversity attributes. And this, a species to given particular area is called as endemic. Depends on the factors such as climatic conditions. Some animals or some organisms particularly depend or belongs to particular area. And in these attributes, majorly we discuss two, that is latitudinal gradient. Latitudinal gradient. And second is species area relationship. Latitudinal gradient, if this is a globe or earth, there is a center point, that is the line indicates 0 degrees equator, and it is moving tropical side, and this is the south pole, this is north pole. If we compare species equator to moving polar side, here more number of species are present in a tropical region. Here less number of species present. If we take one example, Amazon forest. In this Amazon rainforest, so many species are present, and in this Amazon forest we call as a lungs of the forest. So throughout the world it is supplying oxygen, and here tropical region, why species are more? Due to there are certain regions, and if we observe Colombia on equator, there are 1400 species of birds present in a Colombia region. So in this nearby the equator region. Next is New York. It is 41 degrees moving towards north region. It has 105 species of birds. And moving 71 degrees north side, here it is Greenland, there is only 56 species of birds are present. And why there is a difference between this? In this tropical region, there are some reasons. One is temperature. Due to this temperature, there is a climatic conditions. Climatic conditions are susceptible. That means summer, winter, and rainy season, spring season, we can suspect this type of climatic conditions. And here species of long evolution, and there is a continuous evolution takes place, and more number of species. Here it is constant temperature maintains the species betterment. And next one is weather conditions also suitable for separate species, different conditions for different species. And water, one of the factor, and sunrise or solar energy. Light rays which are falling sun. Here it is more. Due to that solar energy, preparation of autotrophs, the plants are more and species also depending upon this region, organisms or animals also more in this region. And here there is a vast changes of species due to sometimes hazards takes place and some restrictions of the climatic conditions. Different species evolutes suddenly. And second is, here we will observe species area relationship. Suppose if we take, this is the unit area. In this unit area, number of species present. If more number of species are present in this area, we call it as a species richness. Species richness. So this species richness is depend upon a geographical area. So in this, Alexander or Humboldt he explained in a geographical way, that is logarithm way. So he given this graph like this. Here it is a species, this is the area, here it is species, and between this relationship he given one linear equation, and above linear equation and below linear equation he given based on the log. So here that is log equation. So in this we observe the equation is log S equal to log C plus Z log A. So in this equation S equal to C A power of Z, and what is a S means? S is a species, A area, C Y interpret, Z that is log, either relationship of the this linear line, slope of line. Z is the slope of line. And he given that when a particular three regions, California and New York and Britain, if he observed the species between this log S 0.1 to 0.2, and different continents there are species. Different continents have overall species. The line steeper at a different species or a tropical level. This tropical forest of a different continents found 1.0 to 1.5. So this is a logarithm which is given a population distributed or species distributed richness different places in a tropical level and another tropical forest in a different continents and different regions.